Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video I'll show you how you can download the Condition Zero, the best FPS shooting game, which is very good. And how to download this is very simple. All you need is this link, which is provided in the description below. Just select this link and open any of your browser and just paste in it. After pasting it, you'll find these two files. The one is the condition 0 file of 500 MB, and another is the key which will be required after the installation process. So let's begin. So this is the two file which you will be requiring. One is the game and one is the key, and the link is in the description. You can find it from here, and you can see this is the two file. You can just click on the first one, and you can see here I am downloading the first one. So guys, I have downloaded the file. This is the executable file which I had downloaded. It is 527 MB. Again I'll provide you the link in the description, and the key also I have downloaded from here. Okay, so let's install it and show you that it is working. So this is the setup. We'll double click it. Give the permission yes. Okay, so you can see here this is the game, and click next. Okay, so just check that where you want to save its program file. Click next. Yes, start. Now it will take around 15 minutes or less than 10 minutes. Now you're gonna click exit, and you see this is the option which we require. Let's open it. Now you have to type the key which I had provided. So you can see here I had entered the key and click OK. So you can see here my game has been started. Now we can play the game. Okay, so we'll do new profile. Click OK. Easy button. So you can see the game has been started, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more technical videos. You can get more videos on my channel, and if you have any queries to me, please write in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.